Going to replace the Euro style hinges on this vanity with some soft close hinges. Pretty easy project. You just got to make sure you get the right stuff for it. You know, if you have a cabinet and the doors are slamming like that, this is a pretty easy thing to do. Get some soft close hinges, and then you can see on the left I replaced those. It just kind of stops and pulls the door in nice and easy. A couple things you need to do first is make sure you get the right offset. You need to measure if you have partial or full overlay door. You need to measure from the inside of the door frame there to the outside of the door itself. On the hinge side is going to be the most accurate. Easy thing to do. If you can see the joint there in the framing, the face frame, you can measure. That's actually the inside edge. You can actually just measure off that line to the outside of the door, and that's pretty accurate. Otherwise, you have to hook your tape up inside there. Partial overlay door, most of them are going to be 1/2 inch. There's a chance it might be 3/4. If it's full overlay, it might be 1.25 inches. So you need to double check those and make sure you get the right ones. Most important thing when you get them is just obviously make sure you got the right stuff. I needed the 1/2 inch overlay face frame hinge. And just make sure it says soft close. You don't want to replace it with the exact same thing you have. And then the pocket that these Euro hinges sit in is pretty standard, 35 millimeter. So you shouldn't have to worry about that. There's only one screw in each hinge holding these to the face frame. So take the middle screw out of each one of those, hang on to the door, and then the door will just come right off. If you have other screws on the hinge, those are adjustments for the hinge itself, micro adjustments for the door to get them lined up. One thing you want to do when you get them is just, triple check and make sure, compare the old one with the new one and make sure you have the right one before you go installing them. Just a good thing to do. The only other problem you might run into is the holes where those little plastic grommets are. Might not line up perfect. They kind of get in a hurry in the factory sometimes, and they might be a little crooked or whatever, but just take a small drill bit or a sharp punch and start another pilot hole and just screw them in that way. Just make sure you leave those little plastic grommets in there, and then you should be okay. And that's all there is to it. You can see you can give them a pretty good push and they don't slam. So if you get some slamming doors, you need some soft close hinges. I hope that helps.